Hello neighbors!
Today we're going to do a delicious Chamchijeon.
That's tuna fritters in English.
Oh, fritters sounds so much nicer.
Fritters. No, I like
More
chamchijeon.
fresh.
I like chamchijeon. This chamchijeon we've been making over the past few weeks and it's delicious. What we love about it is that you don't need a lot of hard to find ingredients. Just that find the tuna cans that you hid away during Y2K. And then
Everybody has tuna cans.
that's right. Sorry, still thinking about the Y2K comment, man. You know the world was going to end when it was going to turn 2000, right?
Yeah.
And then it was a nothing burger.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Anyway,
Were you disappointed?
I was with my tinfoil hat thinking I was going to finally return to Mars, but that didn't happen for me. It's still on Earth.
Oh, that sounds so retro now.
Yeah. All right, we're going to start off with some canned tuna. We're going to need 300 grams. These cans are small, so I'm going to use 3, but if they're larger, you only need 2. The amount should be listed on the can. You know, canned tuna is still a very popular ingredient to cook with in Korea. You can see it in kimbap. We have the Chamchijeon, which is the Tuna-Mayo, as a filling.
Oh, in Korea, they also have, of course, gochujang.
This is tuna in gochujang sauce.
Yeah.
Actually, you want to show them? Because I don't think they serve this in the US. So.
I can finish all this in one day.
I know, I've seen you.
I would have this all the time with just
actually
a
pretty
fresh
good.
bowl of rice.
The gochujang sauce, it masks any fishy smell of the tuna.
And you know what a surprise is? This
What?
potato tastes so good.
They have potato in here?
This.
All right, all the oil or water out of the can. Try to get as much of it out. Makes for a better tasting fritter or jeon. Let's move this to a bowl. Now some vegetables. We're going to do half an onion, finely diced. Then we'll just go over it once just to get any remaining large pieces. A pinky length piece of a carrot. And now we just need some green. I'm going to do like 3 scallions or green onions. Chop them up. And then to this, my friends, we're going to crack in 3 eggs. Basically 1 egg for each can of tuna that we used. And then I need 5 big pinches of salt. That's 1, 5. Good. Then a few cracks of black pepper as well, maybe 3 or 4 cracks. Mix everything together. Get in there. Break in those eggs. We want this batter to become nice and sticky. One other ingredient, I would add chili pepper, like a Korean Cheongyang chili pepper or a jalapeno pepper, maybe half or 1 full one. Makes this taste really good, but I don't have any on hand right now. Once the egg has been mixed in, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of flour. Here's 1, and then number 2. This is gonna help remove the moisture. You see that's already forming from the onions. The flour will help solve some of the sadness here. All right, and then you see where the mixture is, where it's not easily falling, or it takes some time at least to fall off. That's where we wanna be. Okay, we're going to put some oil, a good amount of vegetable oil in the frying pan, enough to coat the bottom. Put it on a medium heat. Then we're going to grab 1 soup ladle's worth. Then we'll drop it in. I like to drop it near the wall with a wooden spoon. You can do arts and crafts. Long time ago in Korea, in the traditional markets, they do these huge jeon, but somehow it feels a little bit too big sometimes, or it looks overwhelming. So I like these smaller ones, and you can get them into a nice circular shape. And the next one.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, from this view, let's make a little circle. Don't press down on them. We don't want to make a thin hamburger patty. We like a little bit of volume.
But it does kind of look like a hamburger patty.
Yeah.
Do you think we can make a tuna fritter hamburger?
Oh, that would actually be not bad. Oh, 맛있겠다 그것도.
I would try that.
Katie, why do you sound so excited? I mean,
Shake, when are you coming out with the tuna burger?
your level of excitement is beyond what's needed.
I'm in a hyper mood today.
All right, last one. Guys, this is going to make around 8.
And I really like this dish because it stays delicious even after it's cooled down.
That's right.
Like when cold.
I'm going to move the oil to the back of the frying pan and to also cut off Katie.
That's so rude.
Just kidding. Continue. Oh, our battery's dying. Quickly, get me another battery. Yeah! All right. It's always during cooking videos, right when you think. We're going to give it a little bit of time. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Now we're going to flip. Beautiful. Looks like this. It's going to be crispy on the bottom. A little soft in the middle. Bam! Guys, we can hit it with a little bit more oil in the pan. All right, kind of looks like a hamburger patty, right? I like this color right here. This is perfect. And just take a look at this beauty. Ugly one on the bottom. To eat, all we need is a little bit of mayonnaise on the side, right? Tuna-Mayo, come on now. Touch of Kewpie, the Japanese mayo on the side. Normally, I would never plate it like this. We just put it on to just stack it up like pancakes. And then, all right, that into that in literally 10 minutes. Let me show you the inside. If you like tuna mayo kimbap, you're gonna love this as a banchan. Deep, deep. Oh my god, it's so good. 너무 맛있어. 간단하고 너무 맛있어. This on top of rice. You'll break this in half.
관리실에서 알려드립니다.
아이씨.
관리실 앞에서 사용하지 않는 매크 14K 은수조 오메가 11
Why the Why are they trying to sell us omega-3 watches? Are we living in North Korea?
You should include it.
관리실에서 알려드렸습니다.
There's like a central speaker that gives announcements to all the apartments. And lately, I don't know.
Secret reveal, we do live in North Korea, guys.
I know.
We are
Lately,
filming from North Korea.
what? That's supposed to be used for emergency only. Why are they plugging businesses? All right.
Alright, so what did you guys think of that?
Deliciousness. Yeah, it's a play on texture. Crispy on the outside. And what'd you say the Korean thing was? You said the chokchok what?
겉바속촉. 겉은 바삭, 속은 촉촉. 왜